Welcome to our fully tutorial on using Google Trends to increase the ranking of your YouTube channel. When producing material that attracts to your audience, it can be crucial to understand what is capturing the public's attention. We'll go through the easy steps today to help you optimize your YouTube approach for maximum impact by using Google Trends. Let's start by defining what Google Trends is. This powerful tool analyzes the popularity of the most popular search terms in different languages and countries. It offers an overview of search trends, which is very useful in choosing your next YouTube video topic. Open Google Trends in your browser to get started. The dashboard that welcomes you has two main features: Explore and Trending Searches. The Explore option is a valuable resource for individuals who create material on YouTube. You can enter keywords related to your niche here to see the level of interest in those subjects. Google Trends will display a variety of information to you after you enter your keywords, such as interest over time, regional interest, and related topics. This is where long-term trends in user interest or changes that occur in real time can be found at the heart of trend analysis. When YouTube creators match their content with these trends, the visibility and engagement of their videos can be greatly improved. To concentrate on areas or periods of time that are important to your audience, change the filters. For example, change the region to India if the majority of your viewers are from that country. This modifies the data to display what's popular in that region. Also, you can investigate other categories, such as entertainment or technology, to refine your target statistics even more. Make content that concentrates on popular subjects using the knowledge you have gained. For example, you have a great chance to post a review video on your tech channel if smartphone reviews are now trending. You can create unique content areas by using Google Trends to help you identify niche themes within more general trends. To find the most popular keywords right now, use Google Trends. To increase your search access on Google and YouTube, use these keywords in the titles, descriptions, and tags of your YouTube videos. It's an innovative way of focusing on the already present search habits of possible viewers. In conclusion, Google Trends is a great friend and prediction tool for YouTube creators. It organizes your content strategy and guarantees that your videos speak to your audience's current interests. Keep in mind that in the evolving world of YouTube, being up to date is important. Explore Google Trends right now to begin matching your content to the general public's interests. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe for more educational lessons if you found this guide helpful. Keep an eye out for our upcoming video, where we'll talk about yet another trending subject that will help you grow your YouTube channel.